Hi everyone, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I have something very exciting to show you. This is one of my first devices that can do slow whoop by system sensor, and so you guys will find out what that is today. Here's the package, see, and we're gonna unbox it. And place your bets now and tell me if you actually got it. Remember, system sensor is the brand name. You'd have no clue what the alarm actually is, so I'm just curious to see what you guess. That was easy. Wait, no. Though it's fun to see me struggle. Alright, here we go. So this is, I don't really know what I'm doing here. Let's open it up like this. Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Oh. Wow, there's instructions. Wow. Oh, wait. Now there's a a mounting bracket. Okay. Wait a minute. Hold up. What? There's nothing in there. Well, I don't know. What is this thingy? Well, It's an L series chime. It's an L series chime. This thing can do slow whoop and chime slow whoop, which is really cool. Actually, here it says it on here. Number one. Okay, so if you guys see. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already know this. They twist this to set the settings, so like different tones, which is actually better than Zentex in my opinion because it's easier to, Okay, so it goes up to 10. 1 is 1/2 high, 2 is 1 second low, 3 is 4 second high, 4 is 4 second low, 5 is temp 3 high, tempable, 6 is temp 3 low, 7 is whoop high. Ooh, that's kind of cool. So that's like high. When it says high, it actually means volume. So 8 is whoop low. 9 is 1 chime high, and 10, which is the final one, is 1 chime. Wait, it's the same thing. Well then, that's weird. Oh well. I want to try whoop sometime, so you might see a future video and me doing that. I'm stabbing it to open the dang thing. I just want to open. The incorrect way to open a box. Alright, what is this? Security corp, huh? Cool. Put this in here. And do this. Ha ha ha. Just make this thing open. Yeah, I am being careful by the way. Now, I finally got it open. See? And now here we go. Second alarm. Nice. Is it the same color? Well. We got screws with the manual, a back plate. I can actually take that out of the package right now. I don't really need the plastic. Back plate. Yep. Have you guessed red? You are correct. I have a red chime now. So there we go. I have now a white chime and I have a red chime. So that's awesome. It's really cool. And they are the L series. So yeah. Anyways, Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, share, and leave comments. And thank you for watching.